Bitcoin falls to two-year low on renewed contagion fears. The Reserve Bank of India to launch a retail CBDC pilot in December. Bankman-Fried collapsing FTX empire holds $1.2 billion cash reserves. SBF FTX executives reportedly spent millions on properties in the Bahamas. Cryptocurrency lender Genesis says no immediate plans to file for bankruptcy. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets traded lower, led by the fall in Bitcoin, Ethereum and other major cryptocurrencies continuing to slide, with traders concerned that other crypto exchanges could follow after the collapse of FTX. Bitcoin dropped below 16,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Vishakha.
Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Cryptocurrency markets traded lower, led by the fall in Bitcoin, Ethereum and other major cryptocurrencies continuing to slide, with traders concerned that other crypto exchanges could follow after the collapse of FTX. Bitcoin dropped below $16,000 levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2.2% at 23,000 points. However, the news that crypto exchange Genesis needs a $1 billion capital shows how interconnected the whole world of crypto really is. As a result, investors should keep an eye on Genesis and the other exchanges, which may also be seeking additional capital. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading sharply lower, around $780 billion, dropping over 2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume jumped almost 3.5% to $66 billion. But crypto prices remain under pressure as investors fear the FTX collapse could cause a contagion across the industry. Stock futures rose as worries over COVID cases in China kept investor sentiment in check. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed by 46 points or 0.1%. S&P 500 futures were 0.1% higher, while Nasdaq 100 futures advanced 0.1%. Bitcoin was trading at $15,733, down 2.2%. Bitcoin hit $15,480, its lowest level since November 11, 2020, amid gloomy market climate following the FTX collapse, according to CoinDesk data. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was trading as low as $15,600, close to the 52-week low of $15,554. However, Bitcoin retreated near $15,800. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 3%, trading at $1,086. Ether slid further to the $1,080 level. The negative sentiments around Ether could attribute to the uncertainty over the upcoming Shanghai update and the hacked FTX ETH assets, which summed to around $280 million, according to CoinShares. BNB was down 1.5% to trade at $253. Solana Sol was down 4.5% and was trading at $11.3. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.5% to trade at $0.30. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2% at $0.074. Shiba Inu was trading down by 4%. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $11.6, lower 3%. Next on the list, Polkadot was down by 3.6% to trade at $5. However, Polygon Matic was trading up by 2% to trade at $0.82. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.36, up by 2.5%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. Having tested the wholesale usage of its central bank digital currency, the Reserve Bank of India is preparing to conduct the retail pilot of the digital rupee. The pilot should launch within a month. The RBI is in the final stage of preparing the rollout of the retail digital rupee pilot. Among the participants are the State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yes Bank and IDFC First Bank. Reportedly, at some point the pilot is going to include all the commercial banks in the country. Each bank participating in the trial will test the CBDC among 10,000 to 50,000 users. To integrate the new payment option, the banks will collaborate with Pay Nearby and Bankit platforms. The CBDC infrastructure will be held by the National Payments Corporation of India. Both customers and merchants will have to download the special wallets for the CBDC, although later the RBI plans to fully integrate it with existing digital banking services. Reportedly, the digital rupee is intended as a supplement to the current payment system and not its replacement. The various divisions of Sam Bankman-Fried's crumbling set of companies have $1.2 billion in cash as of November 20th, far below the $3.1 billion it owes its top 50 creditors, court documents show. About $751 million of that is held in debtor entities and the rest $488 million is in non-debtor entities, according to the document filed on Monday by FTX's proposed financial advisor Alares and Marcel North America. About $514 million is unrestricted cash, $260 million is custodial and $465 million is restricted cash, which is earmarked for specific purposes like loan repayments and can't be used for general business purposes. Alameda Research has the latest reserve of cash out of the various entities at $393 million, while FTX Japan has the largest reserve of cash at $171 million of firms under the FTX silo. The Japanese crypto exchange has reportedly said it is preparing to restart withdrawals by the end of the year. The latest revelation from the FTX case reveals that Bahamian properties worth millions were bought in the company name. FTX at the time operated by Sam Bankman-Fried, his parents and other high-level executives of the company reportedly purchased at least 19 properties in the Bahamas over the last 2 years. Collectively, these purchases have a worth of over $121 million, according to a Reuters report of the official property records. Among the acquired properties were 7 luxury condos. While the residents of the condos remain unknown at the time of writing, the property deed claims that they were to be used as residence for the key personnel of the defunct exchange. Additionally, a property worth $16.4 million has SBF's parents, Joseph Bankman and Barbara Fried, as signatories. The deed allegedly has the property designated a vacation home with documents dating back to June 15th of this year. FTX moved its headquarters from Hong Kong to the Bahamas in September 2021, which was purchased for $60 million and had a groundbreaking ceremony in April of this year. Cryptocurrency lender Genesis said it has no immediate plans to file for bankruptcy, days after the collapse of crypto exchange FTX forced it to suspend customer redemptions. We have no plans to file bankruptcy imminently. Our goal is to resolve the current situation consensually without the need for any bankruptcy filing, a Genesis spokesperson said in an emailed statement to Reuters, adding that it continues to have conversations with creditors. A report from Bloomberg News, citing sources, said Genesis was struggling to raise fresh cash for its lending unit and warning investors it may need to file for bankruptcy if it does not find funding. Also, the Wall Street Journal reported, citing sources, that the company approached crypto exchange Binance seeking an investment, but Binance decided against it, fearing a conflict of interest down the line. Genesis also approached private equity firm Apollo Global Management for capital assistance, according to the report. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get updates on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
ARG, the native token of the Argentine Football Association fan token, has gained 17% in the last 7 days, trading at $7.29. This football fan token is for the Argentina national team. Argentina has won the FIFA World Cup previously. As a result, its fan token is pumped in advance of the event. ARG was trading at $7.35, up by 9.15% in the past 24 hours. According to a tweet from the crypto exchange today, Coinbase Japan has listed Cardano's native token ADA for trading. As a result, Japanese residents will be able to trade the cryptocurrency on the exchange's mobile app or desktop version. Furthermore, the crypto exchange claims to be running a promotional campaign for users to commemorate the listing. It comes about 2 weeks after the crypto exchange promised in a blog post that it would improve the Coinbase experience for its Japanese customers. It has now added AVAX and ADA to the list of tokens it supports, promising to list new tokens as soon as possible in accordance with regulations. Despite this development, ADA was trading at $0.3021, down by 0.74% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $10 billion. On November 21, the price of the S&M altcoin increased by 4,545%. The alt was seen trading at $10.91, its all-time high. In just one day, the altcoin's trading volume increased from $1.2 million to $720 million. This unexpected rise in fortunes is difficult to explain, given that it occurred during a crypto market crash following FTX's demise. In related news, S&M had previously only traded above $1 on April 30, 2021. During the same time period, its trading volume increased from $1.2 million to $720 million, occasionally exceeding $0.50. According to data, over 99% of S&M's trading volume on November 20th was transacted on Binance. S&M was trading at $0.9829, a decrease of 26.93%.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in this special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.